A cluttered and messy purse can be a source of frustration for many individuals, often leading to wasted time searching for essentials and an overall sense of disarray. However, with a little time and effort, you can transform your purse into a well-organized and tidy space. In this video, we will provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to clean and organize your purse efficiently. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I blog and make videos about cleaning, decluttering, and organizing. You can find my free printables to help you get organized in the drop-down menu under the printables category over at dmiddleton.com. Stay tuned to the very end of the video for more free organizing help. Anyone who knows me very well knows that I love purses. I am a bargain hunter when it comes to most everything, but my weakness is designer handbags. I still somehow manage to buy them at a bargain price though, often at consignment stores. Because I love purses, I carry one daily. Keeping it clean and organized is important to me. Today, I want to share a few tips and tricks I use to organize my purse. I love pouches. I use different pouches to organize things according to category. For example, all things cosmetic go in my makeup pouch. In my makeup pouch, I always carry a few fingernail care tools as well, such as nail clippers, a nail file, and an emery board. I often find that I can utilize these items anytime I am waiting for appointments, dropping off, picking up kids during their sports practice times, etc. All lotions, medicine, gum, writing utensils, paper, etc. goes into another pouch. Loose change goes in my coin pouch. When my children were very young, I had a pouch for their things to eliminate the need to carry a diaper bag. I always keep an ink pen in a pouch also, in case it leaks and ruins my handbag. I also have learned to keep tissue and band-aids in my purse. Those two items come in very handy when you have children. Receipts. If you balance your checkbook daily and file or toss your receipts, you'll keep your wallet more organized. Also, periodically, I go through my loyalty cards and toss any that I do not use frequently. These items have a tendency to accumulate and create quite a nuisance to keep up with. Most stores can look up your loyalty account by your phone number or email anyway. I keep my receipts in a file at home. A good wallet. I like to buy and use a wallet that is large enough to carry my cards, checkbook, and cash. I do not carry coins in my wallet because of the bulkiness. I keep them in a separate coin pouch. I also am a bit picky about how my wallet closes. I have had the zip-around type wallets and the teeth of the zipper always seems to snag and tear receipts and cash. So, I prefer the wallets that have a snap or magnetic closure. Purse structure. I also like to only buy purses that have at least one inner zipper pocket in the interior lining. Most every handbag has this option now, but it is something I always look for before buying a purse. I keep my important keys and season passes here. What are important keys? I keep our fire safe keys, RV keys, and neighborhood pool key in this zipper pocket. I only carry my essential keys on my daily car keychain. This keeps your keys from getting bulky and also is better on your vehicle ignition. Too much weight from a heavy keychain can damage your car ignition. Glasses, sunglasses. I prefer to always carry my sunglasses in a case. This prevents the lenses from being scratched and it keeps them cleaner. I also usually keep some cheaper sunglasses in my vehicle for driving. I just recently took a family trip and realized I had forgotten my sunglasses. I found that the dollar stores carry some pretty decent and trendy sunglasses. So now these inexpensive sunglasses stay in my vehicle for driving. Interior pockets. If you carry a cell phone, you likely need a place in your handbag to hold it. When I shop for purses, I check the interior pockets to see if they are large wide enough for me to slip my phone into. Having two large interior pockets are even better. I use one for my phone and the other for my keys. How to clean and organize your purse. First, empty your purse. The first step in the purse organization process is to completely empty its contents. Lay everything out in front of you, categorizing items as you go. This will help you assess what you actually need and what may be contributing to the clutter. Declutter and sort. Once you've emptied your purse, it's time to declutter. Evaluate each item individually and ask yourself if it's a necessity. Remove any unnecessary items such as old receipts, expired coupons, or items you rarely use. Categorize the remaining items into groups, such as essentials, wallet, keys, phone, beauty products, hygiene items, and miscellaneous items. Clean the interior. Now that your purse is empty and decluttered, take a moment to clean the interior. Use a gentle cleanser appropriate for the material of your purse. Wipe down the surfaces and pockets, removing any dust, dirt, or debris. Allow your purse to air dry thoroughly before moving on to the next step. Invest in organizational accessories. To maintain an organized purse, invest in organizational accessories such as pouches, small containers, and dividers. These accessories can help you separate and categorize items, making it easier to find what you need quickly. Consider using different colored pouches for various categories to enhance visual organization. Arrange essentials strategically. Place your most frequently used items in easily accessible pockets or pouches. Your wallet, keys, and phone should have designated spaces to avoid the frustration of rummaging through your purse in search of them. Consider using a key holder or a designated pocket for your keys to prevent them from scratching other items. Optimize space. Make the most of the space in your purse by utilizing every pocket and compartment effectively. Think about the size and shape of your items and arrange them accordingly. Larger items, such as a water bottle or a book, can be placed at the bottom, while smaller items can go in side pockets or pouches. Regular maintenance. Maintaining an organized purse requires regular attention. Schedule a monthly purse cleanout to remove any accumulated clutter and ensure that your essentials are easily accessible. This will help you stay on top of your organization and prevent your purse from becoming chaotic again. I hope this information has been beneficial to you in better organizing your purse. If you like these videos or reading this type of material, be sure to subscribe to my blog and this channel for more tips and tricks to clean and organize everything in your home. A well-organized purse not only saves you time and frustration, but also adds a touch of efficiency to your daily routine. By following these steps and making a habit of regular maintenance, you can enjoy the benefits of a tidy and functional purse. So, roll up your sleeves, clear out the clutter, and transform your purse into an organized oasis. If you need to do more deep cleaning, I have checklists and guides to help you with that over at dmiddleton.com or at the link below. I have a housekeeping ebook entitled Makeover Your Homemaking. If housekeeping is an area that you struggle with, this ebook will guide you in creating your own housekeeping schedule. I try to cover everything from balancing your bank balance to cleaning your kitchen. I will link that information for you in this video description. If you are looking to get more organized, I can help with that too. I blog and make videos about cleaning, decluttering, and organizing. If you find it a struggle to get organized, there is likely a good reason why. As a matter of fact, I explore 11 reasons you fail to get organized over on my blog, dmiddleton.com. If one of these 11 reasons sound familiar to you, I will give you some tips to overcome that obstacle and finally get organized. I will link this information below. You can find my free printables to help you get organized in the drop-down menu under the printables category over on my blog, dmiddleton.com. If you are drowning in clutter, let me help inspire you. Clutter doesn't have to ruin your space. We are going to banish it. I do a year-long thorough declutter series on the blog. In this series, we declutter 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week. If that is something you need to do, join me at the link in this video description. You will receive a daily task and a weekly email. By the time you complete this series, you will have decluttered every room and space in your home. I have declutter lists for each room over at dmiddleton.com. I want to inspire you to create a home for everything and make your housework more manageable and less time-consuming. Once the clutter is gone, you will spend far less time cleaning it. So don't keep things around that take up your valuable space and time. Declutter it. Check out the links below to get started. Thanks for watching.